Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you how I made these spider webby bat bows. I was totally inspired by Rebecca Creates here on YouTube, and she shares with you how to make a bat bow without the bat bow die. Say that 3 times fast. So anyways, I'm here to share with you how I did the spider webby and all that, and yeah, so let's have some fun. So I'll get this out of the way. And as I said, you will need a bow die. I'm using the biggest one out of a set of 3 that I got from AliExpress. And I've already die cut out my bow. And then we take this bottom part of the bow and we're just going to trace around like this. It's kind of hard to do this on camera, so I usually like to look on top of my work. But anyways, that's how we want to trace it out. And then you just go ahead and cut. I think she shares with you, Rebecca there, I think she shares with you how to make a template and cut around, but I just decided to use my actual die. And then on this part, right there, I just like to cut on the inside of the line that I drew. Just because it's a little bit wide, because you're actually using the whole bow when you use the die itself. So I'm just cutting on the inside of that line just to make it a little bit thinner. Okay. So we have our piece cut out here, and we're just going to fold it in half. I like to use the side where there's no ink marks, because there is some ink marks on that side. So I just fold it in, and she shares with you how to use a hole punch, which definitely you can use, or if you have the scallop scissors, it's just perfect for this size of bow. You just do one cut, just like that. And just make sure your scallops are going the right way, because if you cut it the other way, your scallops are going to be facing out, but we want them bat-like. Okay, so get that, and then you're going to need some stickles. I'm going to use silver, and you're just going to go around the web here. Oops. Okay, a big glob. Okay. Let's see if we can do better on this side. And I think it's just the angle I'm getting it at. I feel like I don't have any control of the stickles, but I'm hoping you get the idea. And then we just go around the edges like that, and then again, just do the best you can. It is stickles, so oh boy, this side's just a big gloopy mess. Anyways, for the purpose of this video, I went ahead and did one up yesterday so that it would be all dry. So that's how you would do it. You just go all the way around and then follow the scallops, and just try to follow the scallops best you can. And then you take your bow part and you curve it around, something round, You grab your trusty glue. And glue your ends in. And then you glue down the middle here. Go like that, and then I just like to wrap it around like this. This part looks a little long, so I'm just going to trim it. And just glue it down. Now for the tassels on this one, I just used some of this sequin trim that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can use any color you want to keep with the theme though. I'm going to use the silver. So I just kind of fold it over, see where I'd want it. Now the thing with these is when you cut them apart, the last sequin seems to want to fall off, so just going to add a tad of glue. Sorry. Okay, that one's not going to stay on, so we'll see if we can save this one. Oh, I'm just having a problem with everything glopping out today. And seeing the glue right now is not going to matter because I like to stickle it up. Okay, and just get it off your finger without ripping the sequin off. And then I just fold it down and just going to glue down. Oh boy. Everything is just glopping out faster than I can keep up with it. Oh. And I'm just going to glue it on here. And then you can just grab some bling. I use some smaller bling on these ones, but for this one, I'm going to use a bigger bling piece. So pretty. And then down here, now I want to glop a bunch of Stickles. Clean it up a bit there. This will go much smoother, you guys. It's just because I'm on video and I'm trying to save time and everything's just glopping out on me. And that's all I do to top it off. Or you can just leave it plain. I like the little tassel on it too, so either way. But I think they just turned out so pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye for now.